Good morning! Meron tayong prawn. Same spot. Heading to Tromso City. Malapit sa dagat, oh. Camera! Dolphy! Here is
In 200 meters, turn left onto Sommerfeld's Gate.
Here you go.
So ganda.
Turn
Tromso
left
is
onto
a bit
Sommerfeld's Gate, then sharp right onto Dremshagen.
expensive. Their hotels, the parking. Parking is like 350 Norwegian crown. A kroner. We spend the night for 3 nights in same place. Here is just room around. Ayan. Village. Old style house. Wooden houses. Companies. Para lang siyang puro. This is their building, so like old style. Yan, mayroon tayong shop dyan pupuntahan. Yan, their city, Tromso. At least meron silang mga glass buildings.
At the light, turn right onto Havnegata, then
Old style. Yan, ang kanilang mga city. Welcome to city of Tromso. And more on coastal area. Ayan, their city. Malapit sa ocean. There's a bridge where we passed by.
Libot!
Libot! Oh, city of Tromso. We're looking for king crabs. Tingnan natin how much kilo. 2,500 or about 250 euro. They're selling them legs. 20, about 20 euro per kilo. Can we have this half kilo? Yeah. So or shrimp, buttered shrimp. Yeah, crazy. So this is the market. Dragoy. It's 14 euro for half. If you want king crabs. They're in Dragoy. The king crabs, it's just legs. 2,500 Norwegian kroner. So that's about 250 euro. Diba? Legs pa lang yun. So kahapon nakakain na kami ng isang
So, naka-free ka.
sustansya and then very fresh. Oh, ito na yung pinaka-Tromso. Ayang ano na yan, seagulls. This is Tromso. Meron silang market. Very small lang siya. Ayan o, isang center lang, 1,000. Yan.
Libot na pa, lipot.
Libot. So ito yung pinaka-center. Ayan, nearby Coastal area.
Lipot.
Lipong. We got another magnet. Ayan. So we take this. Dami na nating magnet ha. It's 7 euro. Ibutin natin yung city nila. This the city of Tromso. Ayan. Mga shops. And kind of building they have. Looks like wooden. And gift shop. Dami nila mga reindeer display. It's the same. Laki. Shopping center. Yan na yan. Ayan. It's a bank, oh. 1836, 1912. Whoa. Old one. Very old bank. Daan tayo sa Northern Lights. Ayan. Kakita ka na ng Northern Lights. Tunnel in the city. Ayan. So, when we enter Tromsø, it was a bridge. Now, we're going back to the hotel. It's tunnel. 70 pa naman, 70 speed limit. 7. Mabilis ang patakbo dito, no? Inside the tunnel. Ayan na, nakalabas na tayo
Slight
ng
left to stay
Tromsø.
on Philipspace.
Another day of fishing. Charot. Anyway. Ang daming fish. Wait, hindi ko nakikita but they're jumping a bit. Yan. It's a fish. Grabe ka, abundant ng fish here. Higig na po si Sir. Kuha ka naman kami ng madaming isda. Sa farm. What is this? Ayan, there are fish. Ayan. Those are fish. Oh. Wow. You know, fish, you know. Those are fish. Those. Hindi ka man lang tumawag, nakakatch ka na pala. Pollock? Pollock? Kunin mo na yan, pang sabaw. Let me see. Taas daw. Goods, one. Very good. One. What kind of fish?
Seafood siguro.
Is it pollock? No? Okay. And okay na yan. So, uwi na tayo at makapagpahinga. And there are also people from Finland. Ayan. Nagpi-fishing din sila. Dami na nakuha nung bata, oh. Taga Finland din sila. And then at that side also, nice view here. Ayan, nag-enjoy tayo this day. And let's go back to our home. Hotel. Okay na? Enjoy lang?